ka na tawag na uting.
Tengal.
Saan ba galing uting? Uting di ba yung pusang maliit? Uting.
Pinanganak daw ako ni Mama, 7 months lang. Maliit ako nung ipinanganak.
Ayun. But si uting talaga si Tony, we have had very long memories na together. Talagang malakas pa yung araw talaga. Pero ngayon at least, I'm happy that both of you are well and around. And I would like to wish you a happy birthday, and I wish that the Lord will continue to bless your life with peace, happiness, and good health.
Thank you.
And I would like to honor Mercedes, because Mercedes talaga is the oldest among the clan. Although she's the second on the Henturian clan, she's the second. I'm the eldest of the Henturian clan, and Mercedes is the second. And I admire really Mercedes because when Uncle Nobel died, actually si
Upload niyo lahat kay Tita May.
Magdal, actually, it was Mercedes who really managed the pension of Uncle Nobel. And I really admire how she managed to take care of the education of all the children and how she managed to hold on to the family. Let's give her a big hand. It's not easy. It was not easy because it's a big family of Pignon, Henturian, and so on. And I've seen
Sila Tita
the
Carmela.
situation that you have been in from the very start, and I'm very happy that things have changed tremendously. Yan ang sabi, gulong ng palad. Gulong ng palad na all of you now are really well off. And at that, I'm very happy. And I pray that our Lord will continue to bless you good health, just as both of us will have good health, to continue to be with the plan